is how to add background to text in Canva. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first of all, you need to open your Canva app. Then after that, you need to select the size of your video. Now from here, open a new template. Once it is open, then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. After that, tap on elements. Now here you need to search for text box. So here you will see different text box styles. From here you can choose any of these text box. After selecting it, drag it to the size that you want to set. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. After that, tap on the text at the bottom. Now from here select your text style. After selecting it, then type your text here. After selecting it, you can increase its size by dragging it. So this was how to add background to text in Canva.